Hi guys, in about when this is posted, the other video will come out. But since I remember that when I'm filming on a camera on my camera app, it will add sound. But when I'm filming on the YouTube filming thing, it won't add sound because I don't know why. YouTube, please fix that. Don't ask why. So basically, I already posted there so that you guys can hear me. It's this what I'm talking about. If you guys haven't watched the first part, please watch it. I need more views to get my and so that I get more subscribers, and then I get 100k subscribers and I make money. Please. I'm just joking. You guys can sub if you guys want to. I don't really care. But if you guys sub, thank you so much. Now, this is gonna diddle him, even though it won't hurt him. Bonk. Ah, it hit my bonk. Guys, if you're wondering why I'm doing the Donald Duck, Donald Duck voice, thing, it's because I wanna learn how to do it because I'm really bored right now. So please.